Welcome to the series of videos on pipe network productivity tools for AutoCAD Civil 3D. In this video, we'll discuss the Modify Part Descriptions command.
This command utilizes the standard selection options of the pipe network productivity tools, so be sure to visit that video to understand how the standard selection options work.
This command was created in an effort to speed up the process of changing the pipe and structure descriptions, mainly for those of us that like to use the descriptions in our labels, because oftentimes we need to label things specifically in a different format that can't be handled easily through a style, and so modifying a pipe's description to say something like install .48" RCP or something to that effect could be handled easily across your entire pipe network instead of having to go through each pipe. So for example, if I run modify part descriptions, I'm going to go ahead and choose network. I'll choose my entire network all at once, and then I'm going to go ahead and filter the selection, and I just want to do all my 24-inch concrete pipe. So I can apply that filter, and I can choose to, based on my selection, I can uncheck to include structures if I had those in my selection. So I just want to deal with pipes, and then I can plug in my description on those pipes here. So I know I had 24-inch concrete pipes, so install 24-inch RCP. And when I hit apply, two pipe descriptions were updated. It tells me because there was probably only two pipes in the set that had 20 or that size that I had filtered out. So if I take a look, this one was the one we had modified earlier, so I need to find those pipe sizes to know which pipes were done. And over here on my plan view, you can see here's a label that's using that description that was updated to what I had typed in with that command. So that command will be helpful to quickly modify those descriptions to change it to something else, rather than having to click through one by one and do that. Thanks for watching. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions, and be sure to check out our other apps on the Autodesk Exchange Store.